Guys, watch this video and give me your opinion about this situation.
From the day I get some call, my brother shout me. My father have 3 youth with my mother. After we know ourselves, our mother do everything. My mother, my father in a one. My mother do all of that. So when one of my brother decides say I go build a house up for my father now. My father, I don't know what I'm team if a bad man he have or what. So I go up to go rectify it cause my plan to get couple man and just go tie him up, bring him to Bellevue because him act like him mad. Yeah, because you can't have one of your son around you and you have to give him notice and tell him say him for parent. Bring all police for the youth in hours and night say you threaten you. Police could have go kill the youth. So I go up there so I give him follow up at my video too. Alright, so guys, that's my daddy house. From where youth you have that one room there. You know, I done nothing for we could have say yo where I come up here come and live. You see me? Over there so was Filmland. My brother build a foundation there. He fight out my brother when feel like we never have sense then time so we don't know. He sell the land, sell the people and the land. Big piece of land me I tell him about, you know. Alright, so him have this land, you know. The next brother that I'm a second brother come put up the house here. Bigger brother for me too. Him come put up the house here. So he might deal with so bathroom since it started vibes with him and my father. So see it there. All of them sit here never there, you know, because my daddy live like a cave man. Bush them man they live. Look how the place big, you know, guys. Big piece of blood clot land this, you know.